Whether you are a full-time content creator or you're a small business owner wearing all the hats, utilizing a marketing management tool is a great way to generate consistent leads and help you determine what's actually working in your business. This year, I introduced my community to a new software tool called Enji, and in this video, I'll be walking you through how I use the tool along with some helpful new feature updates. Without further ado, let's hop in. If this is your first time hearing about Enji, here's how I would describe it. Enji is a suite of tools that helps business owners create a realistic marketing strategy, organize your to-dos, get content scheduled, and it shows you what's working. The huge benefit of creating an Enji account is it consolidates the amount of tools that you need in one place so that you can simplify the subscriptions in your tech stack. So it allows you to pay for one tool that has multiple features so everything is under one roof. Included in your Enji subscription is a marketing strategy generator, a social media scheduler, KPI dashboard, AI copywriter, marketing campaigns, brand library, and something that's rarely talked about is group marketing coaching. So to start your free account and get access to my special discount, just go to lashondabrown.com/Enji. So what I want to do now is to actually hop over to my Enji account, and I want to show you the direct application of how I utilize the brand library first. To log into your Enji account, you're going to go to enji.co. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a place to log in, and that is where you will log in to your account. An easy way for you to market your business is to borrow audiences from other people, whether you are a speaker at a conference or a summit, or you're a guest on a podcast. Oftentimes, you will have the hosts of these events or platforms ask you for information about your brand so that they can create graphics to market the collaboration. So say, for instance, if you are a guest on a podcast, they typically will ask for your headshot. And if you are a part of a conference, they may be interested in your logo or even what fonts and colors you utilize. When you take a look inside of my Enji account and you locate brand assets in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see my library appear. This is where I am able to upload my logos, my color palettes, my fonts, and different image galleries in one place that makes it incredibly easy for me to share this content with the people that I collaborate with. So I uploaded it one time, everything is super visible here. People can choose from a variety of images, and I don't have to worry about constantly finding them on my Dropbox or my Google Drive to make sure that they have what they need. So all I need to do when I am ready to share is I can locate the Share Assets icon in the top right-hand corner, type in their email address, first name, and last name. From there, you will choose the expiration. You can choose no expiration, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month if you want to limit how long people will have access to this information. One thing that I found extremely useful is to select no expiration and then embed the link that would be shared on my website. So when you head over to lashondabrown.com, you will see at the very top, there is a speaking tab. From there, you can scroll down to speaking materials, and I put information there to make it super easy for people to get the information that they need. So I have got my bio, my links to my social media platforms, and you can see here for your ease, I have created this landing page to provide you access to my approved photos, assets, and logos. So the link that Enji shares when you click on that Share Assets button, I linked a button on my website to that exact same landing page so that everyone has access to it. So I don't have to worry about constantly going in and resharing directly from Enji. It is now available to the public by going to my website. That is an easy way for you to save time. And again, it consolidates everything into one place. What's really nice about the calendar function inside of Enji is it combines planning your content along with project management. So to get started, you will just click on calendar in the top left-hand corner, and then you will select the date where you want to add a task. So in this case, I'm going to hover over December 1st and add a task. You can also schedule directly from the calendar as well. So when I add a task, it will pop open a window on the right-hand side. And in my case, I'm going to type in 25 days of Canva. So this is going to remind me that I am posting a video every day between December 1st and December 25th. If you have a task that is repeated, you can click on the top right-hand corner and you can select repeat. You can choose every day, week, month, or year, repeat on a certain day, and then let it know when you need to stop. If you have a repeating task, once you have selected that, you can type in the estimated number of hours that will be required for that specific task. So in this case, I'll just put 2. You can add in task details and you can assign it to someone on your team. So in my case, I loaded in my team members under the team tab here, and I can select their names from the list by clicking on the dropdown. So if I want to assign it to myself, I can select myself. And when I'm done, I can just hit the X. So that way, this task will be added to my calendar every day within the month of December. If you have a task in your business that you need to complete multiple times, you can also select multiple days in the same week. So again, in the top right-hand corner, you can click on repeat and there's actually a plus sign. So if you need to do this, say for instance, on Mondays and Thursdays, you can easily do that as well. Some Enji updates that rolled out this year that I have found to be super useful are the calendar tab, calendar filtering, and calendar integration. If you have limited time and you want to focus quickly, simply click on the Today tab to only view your tasks for that particular day. If you're running multiple campaigns, you can now color code them, and you can filter your calendar to view all items, focus on tasks, or view content only. You can also connect your marketing calendar to your Google Calendar, so you will know what marketing tasks you need to complete without logging in. When you click on that event, it will show you a summary of your tasks for that specific day. You can now schedule YouTube Shorts to automatically post to your channel, and you can use the AI copywriter to help write your descriptions too. You can also track your YouTube KPIs inside Enji. Currently, you can pull in your YouTube subscriber count, video hours watched for the month, and your video views for the month. If you're using LinkedIn to grow your business and you have a business page, you can also pull in your performance data by connecting that platform now. If you choose to track your followers, the numbers will be updated on the first and the last of the month. Enji is the ultimate marketing success tool for solopreneurs or business owners who simply have a small team. If you're using multiple sites and tools to strategize your content, plan it, schedule it, and track the results, make your life a lot easier by consolidating things with Enji. And when you have the time, I would also encourage you to hop on the coaching calls to learn from others in the industry and get that real-time support that helps businesses to truly take things to the next level. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you would like to give Enji a try, I have a special discount available for you at lashondabrown.com/Enji. Be sure to also check out the Enji playlist for more content to help you to best utilize this new tool. Until next time, ta-ta for now.